Hi everyone, we at Midday.com are super excited to have the gorgeous leading ladies of Bunty or Bubbly too. Of course, Rani Mukherjee and Sharvari Wag. Firstly, the film is releasing in the theaters. How excited are you all? It's a long wait.
Yes, it has been a long wait, and we are very excited about this film, which is finally coming in the theaters, coming at the right time, where things are feeling like they're getting back to a certain normalcy. And we are really happy that we're bringing a certain film which is going to make people laugh, and we're going to con their worries away,
Yeah.
And I hope that they have a great time and they just laugh their hearts out.
I think for me, it's also been a 2 year long journey of waiting with the film.
Yes.
There are a lot of prayers involved of the entire industry, where now the cinemas have opened from a time where the future of cinemas coming back, the films coming back to cinemas was looking very bleak. To the time now that we're seeing cinemas reopening and audiences thronging to the theatre, I think it's like a breath of fresh air.
Yeah.
That we've actually got our breath back.
True.
So I think for us it's literally like a prayer being answered. So of course there's happiness, excitement, nervousness, and anxiousness to see what the outcome of Bunty Bubbly 2 will be.
Yeah, and how was that waiting period? I'm sure there was uncertainty. When will the theaters open?
Of course.
And yeah.
It was,
So how did you kind
it was
of
a very
handle it?
difficult time.
Yeah.
Especially to not know what's going to happen in the future.
Yeah.
I think not only us, I think globally people have felt the uncertainty, have felt the fear, have felt a lot of, I would go to say, sadness through this pandemic, with people losing lives, losing loved ones, also going through, people have lost their businesses or their livelihoods. So I think now there is a period where people are seeing glimmer of hope, something to look out for. So I think Bunty Bubbly 2 is coming at the right time, where people want to see something happy, want to laugh at the cinema. And I think Bunty Bubbly is going to come with the right dose of that kind of medicine that we call the laughter medicine, which is going to make everybody truly, truly happy.
You, of course, received a lot of love for, the first part of the film. So
I'm praying I get the same love for the second part as well.
enacting the part again, and of course, Sharvari as well. So, please tell us about that, about the shoot.
I think just coming back to playing a character which I absolutely adore. Vimmi is a person who I would love to be friends with. She's that firecracker of a person. She's very real. She expresses her emotion very, very honestly. She puts her heart out there. And with this film, there was a growth of 10 years for like Vimmi's character. She has a son now. She's living a family life away from cons. And how these two millennial kids literally pull them back to become the original con artists again. So I think it's a very, very interesting subject, and something that I think the audiences will truly, truly enjoy. And of course, it's been wonderful working with Siddhant and Sharvari on the film. Of course, Saif as well. Siddhant and Sharvari, truly, they brought a lot of freshness to our franchise and also to us. Because having somebody like Varun direct us also, he brings about his own freshness. He's the one who's, completely detailed the characters and brought out such beautiful characteristics in all four of us, including the supporting cast, who have truly given their best, So I think when you make a film where everybody has put in their hard work and their best, I think it just truly feels like a film that we all are rooting for. And Bunty Bubbly 2 is one such film.
Yeah, and Sharvari, how was it joining, such an iconic film? And of course, memories from the first film, if you have any.
First film, of course, has been etched in all of our hearts, and my fondest memory would be, recreating the same clothes that Rani ma'am had, because it had become a rage back in the day. Every girl wanted those collared kurtas and the patialas, the jhola, scrunchy. It was a package deal. The curly, scrunched up hair that ma'am used to have in that film. So I remember going to the tailor with my sister. I remember showing the tailor exactly what I wanted. And then I think Diwali, Shadi, everywhere we used to only wear those types of salwar kameez. And this film for me it means a lot. It's my first film.
Yeah.
And to be able to be in the same frame as Rani ma'am, Saif sir, Pankaj ji, even Siddhant, as a matter of fact, for me it's like a crash course on acting.
Yeah.
But they also pushed me to give my best because I knew who I was standing with, and that comes with a lot of responsibility, and I had to do justice to that. So I think that I have pushed myself to my ability only because of the people I was with.
And ma'am, of course, not many people can boast of having 25 years, and back-to-back hits. So has that sunk in, or is it like you just started yesterday?
No, I'm just truly happy that I complete 25 years in cinema with such a lovely film of mine, Bunty Aur Bubbly
Yeah.
2. And it gives me immense pleasure to know that my fans have stood by me all these 25 years through thick and thin, through my failures, through my successes. And truly, my success has to be connected with the success of my fans. The
Yeah.
fact that they have completely encouraged me at every given point in my life where it could have been discouraging for me to follow the stereotype, but they have helped me break it and helped me emerge as a winner each time. And it's only thanks to them that I've been able to come back each time with a film and with a story that I believed in.
Yeah.
And a particular character that I thought that her story should be told. And throughout my career, I've tried to always be, showcasing strong Indian women through my characters and my roles, through each of the decades that I've played. So with each passing year, I wanted to show how Indian women look at that particular time in India. And through my roles, I've been able to do that. Thankfully, I've had wonderful writers and directors who came to me with such wonderful scripts, with such wonderful characters that I could actually grab and kind of bring it to life. So I thank all the characters who have made me who I am today, probably the star that I am, whether it is my first film character Mala, to Tina in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, to Alisha in Gulam, to Riya in Hum Tum, to Priya in Chalte Chalte,
Yeah.
like all the characters, Meera Geti in No One Kill Jessica, Shivani Shivaji Roy, Naina in Hichki, and of course Vimmi in Bubbly. So I think all my characters have given me that extra special love from my audiences, and I hope and continue to be able to do so for the next 25 years as well.
And any of your recent, films that you have watched, maybe in the recent past, any of your work that, you enjoy watching from time to time, maybe?
I think Mujhse Dosti Karoge is one film that I enjoy watching whenever I get to see it, because I think it has that, that very Archie kind of feel, Betty, Veronica and Archie.
Yeah.
Some comics that I have grown up reading. And that, I don't know, that had some kind of pure romance in it. And I really enjoy watching that film whenever I get a chance to see.
And both of you actually have had to, work your way up. You started, of course, as an AD. And what kept you all going, really, when you all didn't really know whether you're going to make it? But of course, today you all are, both.
One, I have not made it, and I will not get myself compared to where
Okay.
ma'am is. But yes, I've had a fair share of getting till here. And when I was auditioning for the last 7-8 years, I realized that if I wasn't getting enough work as an actor, I needed to better myself.
Yeah.
And for that reason, I went and I learned how film set functions. I don't come from a film family. I did not know anything about filmmaking. So for me, it was really important to be on set for the last 3 films, and that really helped me, because when I came on Bunty Aur Bubbly 2, for me, I already knew the technicality of how a film
Yeah.
is made. So then I had only one responsibility, was to act, and it just made things simpler for me. And I think there are ups and downs in everyone's careers, but I think the downs make the ups much sweeter.
And ma'am, you as well, what is it that keeps you still, excited and about
My fans and my audience, I've always said it. And I say it with utmost humility because I genuinely believe that they are the ones who've made me who I am today.
Yeah.
And without them and without their love and enthusiasm for me or their love for me, I don't think I would have been so excited to, reach my sets every day, because what I'm doing there is trying to make them happy with each of my roles or my characters. So it's them all the way.
Okay, and any final words on the film, since it's releasing this Friday?
Please go and watch the film with your entire family. I think it's a family entertainer. It's a film coming after 2 years in the cinemas, and truly for family audiences. A clean comedy, a film that's going to make you laugh as a family together. It's like a medicine, we say, laughter medicine.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
going to make everyone really truly happy. And it's our prayers that have been answered with our film releasing.
Yeah.
So there is truly a lot riding on this film in terms of love, the perseverance, the patience, a lot of emotions, all into one, excitement, nervousness, anxiousness, and Sharvari will add to this.
Like ma'am said, we've made this film with a lot of love, with a lot of affection,
Yeah.
and a lot of fun. And that's exactly what we want to give the audience. So we've doubled our cast. So I hope that you'll double your tickets and just come and watch this film.
Thank you so much. for
Thank
doing
you.
this.
Thank you so much.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.